everybody, welcome to my channel Parsdana. This video of write cursive with me is a bit different from the previous one because one of you guys asked me to break it down and tell you how to write each letter and how to connect them. So today I'm going to write this sentence: life is good. First, watch me writing it in cursive, and then I will teach you how to write the words, write the letters, and connect the letters together. So the first word is the, life, and the first letter is L. It has a loop, and then letter I and letter F. Letter F might be a bit tricky, but if you pay attention, it has 3 sections. And letter E. So how to connect these letters? L goes up at the end and I starts from the top and comes down. So something like this. L goes up, then I comes down and returns back up. Because it returns back up, it's easy to connect F because F starts from the up. E connects at the same way because F goes up at the end and E starts from up, so it's easy to connect them together. So in whole, we have L down to up, up, I up to down, then F, and then E. Word is really easy. You learn how to write I. When I goes up, it has to attach to S. S starts from down, so we can mix these two parts together and connect them. Letter G has a downward loop, but it comes up at the end, and O starts from here at the top, and it's easy to connect them because G goes up and you have to connect it to O from the top. For D, we have to start from the top, then go back down. So I wrote it all again here. Please tell me if you like this type of videos so I can make more of them, and if you want to learn more, follow my channel Parsdana. Okay, life is good, and thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.